2025 Volkswagen Tiguan SE stands out with bold styling and a modernized look. Brought to you by Berge Volkswagen. Sleek LED headlights and taillights, a distinctive grille, and sharp body lines give it a refined yet sporty appearance. Standard 18-inch alloy wheels and a hands-free power liftgate add both style and function. Under the hood, the Tiguan SE is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers smooth acceleration and confident power for daily driving. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers a balanced blend of efficiency and performance. Available 4-motion all-wheel drive enhances handling and control in varying road conditions. The Tiguan SE provides generous rear seat space with available third-row seating and front-wheel drive models, making it a versatile choice for families. Sliding and reclining second-row seats allow passengers to adjust for comfort, while the wide-opening rear doors make entry and exit easy. Inside, the SE trim offers a refined cabin with premium materials and a clean, functional design. Features include VTEX leatherette seating surfaces, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and dual-zone climate control for personalized comfort. The cabin is designed with practicality in mind, offering excellent visibility and ample storage. Volkswagen prioritizes safety with the Tiguan SE, offering standard IQ.DRIVE driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. The suite is designed to provide peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 Tiguan SE is equipped with a 12-inch infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a standard digital cockpit for customizable driving information. USB-C charging ports and wireless device charging keep everyone connected, while available voice control adds convenience. Everyday convenience shines through with keyless access, push-button start, and heated front seats. The power liftgate with remote opening Ample cargo space and available panoramic sunroof enhance practicality and driving enjoyment. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan SE strikes the perfect balance between style, comfort, and technology. With its versatile interior, strong safety features, and advanced tech, it's a well-rounded SUV ready for families, commuters, and adventurers alike. You can view our selection at bergevw.com. Give us a call at 480-646-4858 or visit our showroom today.